Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we're diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 8th of July, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of June 2025, our system has identified BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.46. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 78.17% since we first designated BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate 23 days ago. This equates to an average return of 3.4% each day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is situated in the upper section of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, presenting a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout at the upper trend line, currently at $7.84, would indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 86.79% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 13.97% to 92.96%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 53.32%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 34.78% to positive 128.89% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $4.95 and $17.37. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, "Significant movements in BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Tuesday, fluctuating 15.34% between high and low." The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price decreased by 2.44% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 8th of July, 2025, dropping from $7.78 to $7.59. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 15.34%, ranging from a low of $7.56 to a high of $8.72. The price has increased on 7 of the last 10 days, showing an overall rise of 81.58% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has risen on the last day by 43 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 196 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.49 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $10.35, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price stands 26.67%, or $2.76, below the 52-week high and 52.92%, or $8.53, below the all-time high recorded on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai, traded under the ticker BBAI, experienced a staggering 63.2% surge in June, benefiting from the growing enthusiasm surrounding technology stocks, particularly in the artificial intelligence sector. Despite the broader market's modest gains, BBAI has taken center stage, significantly outperforming indices like the Standard & Poor's 500 and the Nasdaq Composite. Its recent performance reflects a year-to-date increase of nearly 70%, with a remarkable 420% rise over the past 12 months. However, this surge comes amid increasing scrutiny regarding valuation in the artificial intelligence space. Experts warn that while enthusiasm for artificial intelligence stocks is justified, caution is necessary as overvaluation could lead to significant corrections. BBAI is under pressure this July. down 3.3% as investors engage in profit-taking actions. This could have short-term implications for its stock price as traders assess the sustainability of this rally. Additionally, the ongoing economic environment, marked by potential trade tensions and tariff announcements, introduces another layer of volatility. The market's cautious stance today could impact BBAI in the coming weeks, especially as the artificial intelligence sector experiences consolidation, raising concerns about competitive positioning against peers like SoundHound AI. In the long term, BBAI's performance will largely depend on its ability to maintain growth momentum without succumbing to valuation pressures, especially as the market begins to reassess its risk appetite. Investors should keep a close eye on developments within the company and the broader artificial intelligence landscape to gauge future stock performance. Analyst ratings. On the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy rating, accompanied by a hold action. On the 15th of October, 2024, it was similarly reported that H.C. Wainwright designated BBAI with a buy rating alongside a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. Additionally, there is an overall buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of price corrections downward, there will be support at the levels of $7.13 and $4.67. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, July 7, 2025, with the stock experiencing a decline of 2.44% thus far. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Yesterday, trading volume increased alongside falling prices, serving as an early warning. Therefore, closer monitoring of the stock is advised. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence. A buy signal has been indicated. Pivots. A sell signal was noted 2 days ago. Bollinger. A buy signal was detected 162 days ago. The short-term moving average has shown a buy signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 51 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 49 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has revealed a buy signal 8 days ago. Be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings finds support from accumulated volume at $7.56. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, indicating high volatility. And with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to carry a very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.16, which is equivalent to 15.34%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 14.04%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are projected to be -7 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $7.71. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $7.56. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 30th of June 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider sale of 6,524 shares of common stock. On the 30th of June 2025, Blankenship Carolyn conducted an insider sale of 5,945 shares of common stock. On the 30th of June 2025, McAleen and Kevin conducted an insider sale of 3,113 shares of common stock. On the 6th of June 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider purchase of 39,788 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings, LLC conducted an insider purchase of 65,822 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -94.627. Overall, insiders purchased 2,795,254 shares and sold 135,474,287 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $7.34, reflecting a decrease of 3.29%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which significantly heightens the risk involved. The 14-day relative strength index is at 82, further increasing the level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators along with a generally positive trend suggest that this might be a good time to buy. There's a fair chance that BigBear.ai Holdings stock will perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, July 9th, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open higher by approximately 367 of a dollar, beginning trading at $7.96. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.